understand the meaning of an artificial neural network. Artificial means copy of something natural. Neural means the nervous system. And network means an arrangement of intersecting horizontal and vertical lines. In conclusion, we can say the artificial neural network is a type of nervous system created by a copy of the human brain to process the information from the real world. I created this definition for your understanding only. It is not given in any book. As we are saying time and again that artificial neural network is used for information processing. What type of information an artificial neural network can process from the real world, and how? We, humans, are living beings, and we can do tasks easily. Machines are a copy of human beings. We train machines to do tasks like humans do. Artificial neural network and different machine learning algorithms are used for training and testing of intelligent systems, expert system, and robots. Suppose we have a glass of water. A human can say easily that either this is half empty or half full. But, how we can train robots to analyze the situation? How a robot can understand whether this glass is half empty or half full? For this, the concept of fuzzy logic is used. Fuzzy logic uses digits from 0 to 1. Values are 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 and 1. We can use the concept of fuzzy logic from machine learning. A machine or robot can answer that the water level is at 0.6. In other videos, we will discuss about it more in depth. Now, I think the basic details about artificial neural network are given. Thank you for visiting this video. If any question, please comment below. Have a good day.